Hello. So now today's session will be doing concept based on factors. So how do we define factors? Let's say if I ask you how many factors does a number 48 has. So that means I have to count the numbers which will divide 48. So let us check how many factors does 48 has. So 48 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 48 has how many factors? 10 factors. Similarly, if I ask you how many factors does a number 90 have? So 90 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10. Then we have 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. So how many factors? 12 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. But if I ask you how many factors does 13500 has? So now I cannot write these numbers. So we have a formula, any number n which can be written in the form of a की power p into b की power q into c की power r and so on, where a, b, c are prime numbers. Any number n which can be written in the form of a की power p into b की power q into c की power r and so on, where a, b, c are prime numbers, then total number of factors is given by p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1, that includes 1 and the number itself. So any number n which can be written in the form of a की power p into b की power q into c की power r and so on, where a, b, c are prime numbers, then total number of factors is given by p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. For example, let us check 48 now. So 48 can be written as 16 into 3. What is 16? 2 की power 4 into 3 की power 1. So if I compare 2 की power 4 into 3 की power 1 with a की power p into b की power q, a and b here are prime numbers. What is the value of p and q here? 4 and 1. So total factors are given by 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, which is 5 into 2, 10 factors. So now let us check how many factors does 13500 has. So 13500 can be written as 135 into 100, which can again be written as 27 into 5. 100 can be written as 25 into 4. So this becomes 3 ka cube into 5 ka cube into 2 ka square. Now compare with a की power p into b की power q into c की power r. So here p, q, r is what? 3, 3 and 2. So total number of factors is given by 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So 4 into 4, 16, 16 3s are 48. So how many factors does 13500 has? 48. This is how we calculate factors. Now let us do two basic questions based on factors. So let us start with one question. How many two-digit numbers exist having 12 factors? So that means they are asking how many two-digit numbers exist having 12 factors. So that is 12 factors is what? P plus 1 into q plus 1, this p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1 and so on is what? 12. So we know any number n which can be written in the form of a ki power p into b ki power q into c ki power r and so on, then the total number of factors are given by p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1, which is given as what? 12 factors. Now let us take some examples. Let us check a number which is of the form a ki power 11. So any number which is of the form a ki power 11, where a is a prime number, will have how many factors? 12 factors. But if I take the lowest prime number, which is 2, the 2 ki power 11 will never give me a 2-digit number. So we'll not take this case. Let us take second case. Now this 12 also can be written as 6 into 2. 6 into 2 means 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 means a ki power 5 into b ki power 1, where a and b are what? Prime numbers. So let us take smallest prime numbers. So we can have 2 ki power 5 into 3 ki power 1. What is 2 ki power 5? 2 ki power 5 is 32. What is 32 into 3? This is 96. So we have first number as 96 having how many factors? 12 factors. I cannot flip them because if I take 3 ki power 5, it will never give me a 2-digit number. Let us take 12 again as 4 into 3. The moment I write 4 into 3, it becomes 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 means a ki power 3 into b ki power 2. Now let us take a and b as prime numbers. So we have 2 ki power 3 into 3 ki power 2. 2 ki power 3 is 8, 3 ka square is 9. So 8 into 9 is 72, which is our next number. If I flip them, 3 ka cube into 2 ka square. So 3 ka cube is 27, 2 ka square is 4. 27 into 4 will give us 108, which is not a 2-digit number. So that means there's only single case possible, which is a ki power cube into b ki power 2, where a and b are 2 and 3. Now let us take fourth case. So can I write fourth case as, I'll take 3 into 2 into 2. So 12 can be written as 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. The moment we write 3 into 2 into 2 means it is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Right? So we'll take how many cases are possible with this. So this gives me a square into b ki power 1 into c ki power 1, where a, b, c are prime numbers. Let us take smallest prime numbers. So 2 ka square into 3 ki power 1 into 5 ki power 1. So this gives me 2 ka square 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5 is 60. Let us interchange 2 and 3. So can I write 3 ka square into 2 ki power 1 into 5 ki power 1? So this gives us 90, which was our previous case. Can I have another number? Based on this, can I have another number? So instead of 5, we can take another prime number, which is 7. So let us take 2 ka square into 3 ki power 1 into 7 ki power 1. So 2 ka square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 7 is 84. So likewise, we have how many 2-digit numbers which has 12 factors? So there are 5 numbers: 96, 72, 60, 90 and 84, having how many factors? 12 factors. So how many 2-digit numbers have 12 factors? So there are 5 2-digit numbers having 12 factors. So based on previous example, we'll be doing one question which was there in CAT. We have to check the sum of first 2 natural numbers, each having how many factors? 15 factors. So in our previous example, we took how many 2-digit numbers having 12 factors. Here we have how many factors? 15 factors. So 15. Now since they are asking first 2 natural numbers, I'll not take any number which is of the form a ki power 14, because definitely that will not give me first natural number. So 15, can I write 15 as 5 into 3? So 5 into 3 means it is 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So if I compare this with a ki power p into b ki power q, a ki power 4 into b ki power 2. So p and q takes how many values? 4 and 2. So that becomes p plus 1 into q plus 1. Here a and b are prime numbers. So let us take the smallest prime number, 2 ki power 4 into 3 ka square. What is 2 ki power 4? 16. And what is 16 into 9, which is 144. Can I flip them? So if I flip them, I'll take 3 ki power 4 into 2 ka square. So 3 ki power 4 is 81. 81 into 4, which is 324. So if I add them, he's asking sum of first two natural numbers having how many factors? 15 factors including 1 and the number itself. So what is 144 plus 324? So that is 468. So this is how we use this concept of how many numbers having 12 factors or how many numbers, smallest two natural numbers having 15 factors. Thank you.